Control number 40759. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Caroline Roldan, 37 years old. I'm a mother of 2 sons. The eldest is 12 years old and the youngest is 6 years old. I'm the youngest of the family. I have 1 sister.
What is your educational attainment?
College level in Pateros Technological College in Associate in Computer Science.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to help my family and especially for the future of my son.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I have experience here in the Philippines as a helper. We have cleaned the house and take care of a baby.
What can you do for babies and children?
Feeding, take a bath, and going to school.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
Yes, I'm taking care of an old person. I give her a bath, feeding, give her the medicine.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking, laundry.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I cook chop suey, spaghetti, carbonara, steamed fish.
Describe yourself as an housemate.
I'm an energetic person, responsible, and honest.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I say sorry and apologize them.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
We have good relationship and treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Please choose me as your domestic helper. I will do my best for my job and responsibilities. I will promise I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.